to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. You are most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Dear students, now I am taking your letter to the editor, and the topic of letter, that is, write a letter to the editor of the Times of India, Aligarh, complaining about poor and dirty water supply in ADA in Vikas Nagar, Agra Road, Aligarh. As we know, there are certain points. At the top there is letterhead. Letterhead, actually that is of that particular person who is going to write a letter. After leaving one line, then there is date, and date is to be written. First we have to write down month, then date, then comma, then year. Leaving one line, then we have to write down address inside. It means the address to whom we are going to write the letter. It means the editor. Like this, the address is to be noted down. Then leaving one line, then we have to write down subject. SUB, JECT subject, desk, then we have to write down complaining about poor and dirty water supply. Let it be underlined. Leaving one line, then we have to bring salutation, sir. And without leaving line, then we have to start writing from the margin line. Through the esteemed columns of your famous daily newspaper, I would like to draw the kind attention of the concerned authorities towards the poor and dirty water supply in ADA, Vikas Nagar, Agra Road, Aligarh. Nowadays, second paragraph. Nowadays, the residents of ADA, Vikas Nagar, Agra Road are facing the problem of poor and dirty water supply. Nowadays, the supply duration of water, that is short. It's only for 50 minutes. During these 50 minutes, it's very difficult for the persons to store water for the whole day household works. Moreover, there is no pressure in the water flow, and it causes problem to the persons. Then we have to take second part, that is dirty water supply. Now we have to say the supplied water is dirty. It's blackish in color. Sometimes worms can be seen in the water. Ultimately, the water is not fit for drinking. And the second content part, and this is the closing of second content part, we have already complained to the concerned authorities about it, but no action has been taken till today regarding solution of the problem. And now we have to take the last paragraph, that is the closing. We have already complained about it to the concerned authorities, but our problem has not been solved, and still they are requested to look into the matter and relieve us from the problem. Then in left hand side, leaving one line, yours faithfully, then signature along with name, that is to be given. I hope you have understood this letter. Thank you very much.